everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Google My Business Problem Series. I'm Brooke Borup with My Clone Solution, and today we are here with Benjamin Brown of 360 Sales Consulting. And we are going to be talking about the age-old question of sales. And today's question is, what am I doing wrong when it comes to sales for my business? So Ben, what are we doing wrong?
Most people, the first thing they do is they're assuming. The first rule in sales that I teach is never assume anything. It's all ruled out by questions. Now, those questions are actually steps that's going to get you towards getting the yeses or the nos that you need to figure out if you can help them or not. So most people assume that they're the decision maker. They assume that they have the money. They assume they don't have the money. Assume they're qualified. And they're afraid to ask the question. So most of the time when they do wrong with actual sales is actually have to do with your confidence and actually lack of fear. And so asking those questions, people think they hate rejection. But by not asking those questions, you're actually prolonging that sale and it can go anywhere and you mess it up. So synopsis, what you do wrong with sales is never assume anything. It's all ruled out by questions like a lawyer in a case.
That person can't afford me, or that person can afford me. These are all assumptions that we make every single day, and we make them for the people that are in front of us. And this, with fear, with sales being the number 2 fear of everyone in the world, speaking, of course, is always number 1. But unfortunately, or fortunately, I guess, most people don't have to speak if they don't want to.
Right.
But everybody has to sell in one way, shape, or form. So like Ben says, never assume. If you want to get a hold of Ben, his information will be on the slide. It'll also be in the My Clone Solution blog with all of his other videos that he shot for us. Thank you so much, Ben. And this has been another episode of Google My Business Problem Series. I'm Brooke Borup, your host, and I look forward to seeing you next week.